salamat. Dakala salamat, Secretary Ed Pamintuan, king pamagpakilala mo. At maya paabak, karing kakatang officials na ning Pampanga, ning distrito, ampo ning Balen Minalin. I-Governor Ed Panlilio, i-Mayor Flores, i-Congresswoman Ana York Bundok Sagon. Kaya naman tamo, karing aliwang Congressman Ketig in Pampanga, Tarzan Lasatin, ampo Dong Gonzales. At salamat naman karing provincial board members na ning Pampanga. Manibat king First District at Chuketi, BM Garbo, BM Halili. No karing nga Lina Bagasina. Ha? Okay. Art Salalila. Edna David at Chuketi, Edna David. Ampo karing aking 3rd District, J.K. Kiambao. At manibat king 4th District, BM Kalara. Ampo Ray Kiabot. At BM Joel Simpangco in Federation of Barangay Captain in ABC. At yung Kenny ba Raul Macalino? Ampo Eric Tumang, alayo oning Maya Pabak Karela. At karing ganaganang mayor sa Pampanga, Choketi. Mayor ning Candaba, karakal naman ning biyaya keti. Ganaganang Balen ning Pampanga ating biyaya malibat king gobyerno. The egg producers, karing poultry farm workers, karing farmers and fisher folk, our bus and trucking operators that we invited here today, our national government officials who are here with us today, kayo kabalen ko keti king Pampanga, Monsignor Mercado, may paabakekongan, ampo maya pa oras, karing tao minalin, king kayong egg industry, oning alimo king egg industry, uling ana Congresswoman Ana York Bundok, iko naman yung number 1, king crabs, karing prawns, exported, ing tilapia, dadalang king Metro Manila, fresh, aerated, and your other products that we have shown today. Congratulations, king masanting, a produksyon king agrikultura. Anapin Mayor Flores, tanda niya pa, ing panahon na ning pinatubo, milahar, ing minalin, oning may bangon pa si Bayo, and now you are the egg basket of the Philippines. Karangkal, ing ambag ning industriya, ning ebon, ampo karing ali-aliwang produkto yun, kikikatamo agrikultura, ampo maulagang kusustansya king mesa ning pamilyang Pilipino. Inyapin, I've come to Minalin not only to deliver some of the support for the people of Minalin, but also I have chosen to come to our province to make a very important announcement to highlight the importance not only of raising production, but also lowering the cost of bringing food products to the market. But we can lower the cost of food through lower delivery cost. Last month, through Secretary Larry Mendoza, I instructed the Toll Regulatory Board to review the toll rates of the Manila North Tollways Corporation at the critical North Luzon Expressway. Uling, the favorable peso-dollar exchange rate has dramatically reduced the debt service load of MNTC. Therefore, MNTC has been generating a financial windfall for its toll road operations. It's clear that the MNTC can pass on a part of this huge windfall to the public via reduced toll rates. The MNTC secured dollar-denominated loans to rehabilitate the NLEX at an average of 54 to $1. And now it is 43 to $1. The high debt service cost was heavily factored in the computation of its toll matrix. Transport groups, whom we have invited today, now estimate that the debt serving cost of MNTC for its NLEX loans is now 31% lower because of the favorable exchange rate regime and the favorable interest rate regime. Therefore, today, I direct the Toll Regulatory Board to approve a new toll rate adjustment formula. This should result in a package of benefits for all types of vehicles using the NLEX. TRB's approval of the new formula will facilitate MNTC's conversion of its remaining US dollar loans into pesos. The operation of this new toll rate adjustment formula will reduce the toll in NLEX since MNTC will realize foreign exchange gains that resulted from the favorable economic conditions. The foreign exchange gains in turn shall be passed on to NLEX motorists in the form of lower toll rates. I hereby direct the TRB to implement the downward adjustment of NLEX toll rates as a result of the new toll rate formula to take effect on June 30th this year, 2008.